working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Seana, back up in this joint with another video. Yeah. So I'm going to be showing you how I did this hairstyle. This is a cute hairstyle that I've been rocking lately and I really like it. So since I'm filming some hair videos right now, I thought I'll just do a quick video just doing this style. So yeah, so if you want to see how I do it, keep watching. Alright, so for the style, we're going to start with, I'm going to part the top of my hair off. I'm going to take a section of the top of the hair, and part doesn't have to be like real perfect. Okay, so you got a section that looks something like that. So the part doesn't have to be like completely perfect, but just like a section. Stops about right there. I'm going to just take the rest of it and pull it back into like a little loose bun. Try to be careful with it, it's still a little bit damp. Okay, and then we're gonna part this in half. Boom, and then take one side and pin that away. Or tie it, whatever. So that's out the way. And then we're gonna work with this part. So I'm gonna do either a braid or a twist. You can do either. Alright, so then I'm just gonna probably add some gel. I'm just using this XoXo, the black castor oil gel. So I'm just gonna use this. Put this on the section. So it can lay down more. And like this section right here, like this will probably be gelled down. It will be gelled down so that it will like lay down. So just like go ahead and do it now a little bit to get it out of the way. So now we're gonna take this. I don't know, do I want to do like a twist or either one works. I mean, a braid would probably last longer if you don't want to have to redo it right away. Like if you want to be able to leave it in for like a few days, but so I don't know, let me try a braid. I mean, doing a twist might just be a little bit quicker, so it just depends. Like, or sometimes when I'm just in a hurry, but I kind of want it in the style, I might not do either. I'll just like put this whole section into like a ponytail, leave it like that. But I think if you can, I think it looks cuter if it's like has either a twist or a braid going back. It adds some more flavor and style to it, if you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna make sure that it like ends like right. Doesn't have to be exactly where the part is, but as long as about where you would want the actual ponytail to be. So I don't want the ponytail to be like too far back. So I think this is about a good spot for the actual. Alright. So basically, so I'm just gonna take a ponytail holder. Take one that's kind of like small and tight. Okay, that should be good. Alright, my braid is probably not the best, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect to me. Like, I didn't leave baby hairs out the way, so hopefully they'll naturally brush out without messing it up, because yeah. Okay, so now, alright, so I'm gonna take this back out of the ponytail. I'm trying to do it carefully because I don't want it like frizz. Alright, so this is basically the style. And just let the hair hang down. I mean, I'm trying to figure it out. Was that like too far back though? If you want it that far back, because you could do them like closer up ponytails, but Right, so now like I usually just like to, you know, for this area right here, you just, I mean, I guess that's just preference and how your hair looks and how you like it, you know, just let it all hang down like this. Or like, I guess I don't know, I just like to like kind of put it back behind my ears a little bit in the front, and then I'll like slick this area down with some gel. So I guess I'm just gonna do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna slick this area, so I just like wet it a little bit to make it easier. Though I might leave like a little piece of hair, like sometimes I'll leave a little piece of hair like out right here, like the side where the sideburn is, if I can do that. But yeah, and then I'm just gonna take the gel and kind of slick down all up here so it lays down flatter. Put some gel there. Okay, yeah, so we do something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the baby hairs. So I'm just gonna start brushing out what we want out. So I'm gonna use this Natural Edge Tamer Pomade by DaseanaD. So I think this is like one of their newer products. I think I used it once so far, and it seems pretty good. And it's actually like pretty soft, so I like that, because I know like sometimes you get these edge controls. I hate when they're like super hard, where you can like, you know, yeah, I hate when they're like really hard, but this one is like nice and soft. Still almost like gel, but it's like, you know, obviously it's like thicker or more firmer than gel, like, you know, a lot of edge controls are, but this one is not really, it's not hard, so you can easily work with it. It's like, yeah, they're really sticking down. Like, I can't keep messing with them and stuff because they're kind of like stuck now. So, I mean, I guess that's a good thing, but it's like, you gotta know exactly how you're trying to shape them, like, right away. But yeah. Okay, so now for the finishing touches, I'm gonna add some of these, like, you know, these little like hair accessory things. Yeah, some little hair accessory things. And I'm gonna take one, how many should I put in? Like, maybe we'll do like 2 on each braid. We'll do like 1. There. So yeah, so that's basically it. Like, that's basically the style. Alright, so that's the style. And I'm gonna kind of, I had to pull just a slight more hair out for my baby hairs on the top, so I'm gonna like kind of redo them a little bit. Alright, I think that's a little bit better, I think. It looks a little bit more like what I would like. Like, sometimes I don't like, I don't mind when the very edges kind of curl up a little bit, because it kind of makes it seem a little more natural. But anyway, alright. Okay, so that's basically the finished look, guys. So what I'm gonna do to because I'm still trying to film like other videos right now. So, but usually like what I do, so as it dries, I'll probably like have it like poofed out even more, like mainly like, you know, in the ends. Like I'll probably like kind of poof it out, fluff it out a little bit more. So it'll be like might be slightly more frizzier. But it's like kind of mostly dry right now too. So what I'm probably gonna do is just take it and put it into like loose buns to help stretch it for a little while, and leave it like that for a little while. And then, so yeah, I'll probably leave it like that for about 30 minutes or so, and then take it out and it'll be like even more stretched. So I like it, you know, has like slightly longer, and it'll be a little bit more poofier towards the ends. So actually I'll come back. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it in like 2 loose buns right now and let it just sort of stay like that and finish like drying, and then I'll be back to show you it completely finished and how I like it with, you know. Okay, all right, so it's been a while. I took a break and went to go eat some dinner, although it's really late for dinner. But I ordered some Chipotle through Uber Eats, and yeah, so I was hungry and take a break. So I put my hair in these 2 puffs to hope like that would kind of like stretch it a bit. And now I'm gonna take it down, and we're just gonna fluff it out a bit. Kind of like get like the top looking a little bit. Alright. So kind of like the bottom area to get like a little more fluffed out. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I'm all about length hair. I'm just big on length. I like long hair, so that's also, that's kind of also part of why I don't keep it, like why I might wear it straight a lot, is it's just mainly the length. Like I want length, okay? I'll probably be dyeing my hair again soon, but probably like something a little different, I think. Like I even think it looks a little bit cool like this too, but the colors they are now faded out. What do you think? Okay, so basically that's my video of this hairstyle. So, oh, let me show the back real quick. No, my hair still kind of has a bit of a funny shape, so it needs to grow out some more. Still, that's why I'm still like, it needs to grow out. Like the back is just a little bit more. Anyway, all right, yeah, so what the back looks like. All right, so this is the look. Hope you like it, and see you in another video. Bye. Peace.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.